In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on Capcut. So we're going to click on New Project right over here, and then we want to zoom in on this photo. Once you have your photo selected, or it could be a video, it doesn't really matter. Let's get rid of this end screen. Let's select the beginning on where we want to start the zoom. So right over here, let's click on the Add Chroma key right over here, and then you want to basically move forward, and depending on how fast you want the zoom to be, if you want it to be a fast zoom, then you want to add another chroma key really close to it, just like that. And let's say we want to zoom in just like that. So this is going to be a fast zoom. It also depends on how much you zoom in. The closer you zoom in, the faster the zoom will be. Now let's say we want to make a slow zoom. So then right over here, we're going to zoom out actually because it's already zoomed in. For a slow zoom, you want to basically put the chroma key further and then just zoom it back out to its normalness right over here. So this is going to be what it looks like. Fast zoom, and it's a slower zoom, but if you want to make it even more noticeable, then what you can do is put the keynote really far away, and then you could just zoom it out just like that. So as you can see, it is a slower zoom than this one right over here.